One of the first new products that we're launching is the RS2100. It's actually the smallest wearable scanner in the marketplace today. A couple of the key benefits with this new back of hand is an integrated trigger, ergonomic design, and complete palm-free capability. We're also launching the WT6400. Compared to our previous WTs, has an extremely large screen. This is something that our customers have been asking for. So this is a 4.7-inch screen, and it's really optimized this size for wearing on your arm like this. It has a great center of gravity, and it's comfortable for all-day wearing. It does have a camera, and it can be taken into the freezer at -30 degrees and can be used with the touchscreen using gloves. Lots of excitement, and we see a lot of opportunity in the future.